Strait of Malacca, the longest strait in the world, connecting the Indian Ocean to the South China Sea. It acts as the primary shipping route between Europe, the Middle East, and East Asia. Strait of Hormuz, located between Iran and Oman, it connects the Persian Gulf to the Gulf of Oman. It is arguably the world's most vital energy choke point, handling roughly a fifth of the world's petroleum. Strait of Gibraltar, the critical gateway connecting the Atlantic Ocean to the Mediterranean Sea, separating Europe, Spain, from Africa, Morocco. Bab el-Mandeb, known as the Gate of Tears, it connects the Red Sea to the Gulf of Aden, serving as the necessary entry point to the Suez Canal. English Channel and Strait of Dover, separating the UK from France, it connects the Atlantic Ocean to the North Sea, serving as one of the busiest shipping lanes globally. Bosphorus and Dardanelles, Turkish straits. These straits connect the Black Sea to the Mediterranean, separating Europe and Asia. They are critical for the export of oil and grain from Eastern Europe and Central Asia. Bering Strait, separating Asia and North America, Russia and Alaska, it connects the Arctic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean, Bering Sea. Polk Strait, located between India, Tamil Nadu, and Sri Lanka, it connects the Bay of Bengal in the northeast with the Polk Bay Gulf of Mannar in the southwest. Strait of Magellan, situated at the southern tip of South America, it provides a navigable passage between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, avoiding the treacherous Drake Passage. Sunda Strait, located in Indonesia between the islands of Java and Sumatra, it connects the Java Sea to the Indian Ocean.